You have many people who want to date you, and the question is, butterflies, will they make a move? You know, it's all good and well wanting to date my butterfly, but are you going to follow up on it? Or are you just going to keep it in the 5D? Let's take a look. Let's dive deep. There are many people that are keeping their feelings hidden from you, which can be quite annoying actually. But people are drawn to you because they feel like you have a lot of depth, a lot of wisdom. You know, there's a secrecy around your identity. Like, many people are intrigued about your life, you know, your likes, what your type is in regards to romantic dating. And you've got this energy where you seem quite elusive, unbothered, you know, in your own world, and this is part of your appeal. And many people that you know want to rush towards you. You may find that people want to talk to you all the time, you know, may want to chat you up, especially if you're out and about going to the shops. For some of you, even if you're in your car at the traffic lights, you may get other people staring at you and like asking, what's your number, through their window, and you're like, what? And then you just drive off when the light goes green. But for some of you, these individuals could be in your friend group, or you could know of the same people, and you'll be quite shocked to know that these actual individuals have had romantic feelings for you, you know, because for some of you, you don't look at them in that way. For others of you, you may feel, yeah, they're kind of cute still, but nah, you know, or you're just not even thinking about that. You know, maybe you've got this thing whereby, let's be friends first, you know, let's just see how this thing goes. Some of you may have heavy Aquarius placements in your chart, or you could be an Aquarian. But I feel like, you know, whoever this person is, or these people are, they may want to, they're very friendly, and they may actually want to be friends first. They may want to talk about music. They may want to talk about their pet. They could have a dog. They are very attracted to your legs, you know. They like your style. They like your swag. They like your taste in music, and they like the fact that you're free, independent, and they feel like you've got this strong vibe, but you also have this way about you whereby you're no nonsense. I love this King of Swords card. Yeah, I feel like this person feels like there's a heart underneath it all. So they may feel like you're quite stoic. They may feel like you're quite detached. But for some of you, they may know that you're going through something that's very, I'm hearing serious, or you may have gone through something very serious, or you could be experiencing something that is not making you feel the best, but it doesn't change the way this person feels about you. Maybe you've worded to this person about your situation, and that's another thing as to why this person likes you, because they find you to be very authentic, very honest, very true in regards to what's going on. You keep them abreast, and they find you to be a great conversationalist. And you have this way about you where you don't really get embarrassed as well. And this is part of the appeal to this individual. But I feel like this individual may feel like they're not ready yet. There's something about them feeling like either you're not ready yet or they're not ready yet. However, they do see you as, quite frankly, the prize, because you are the prize. But there's the energy of them feeling like you're holding yourself back, or you're off limits, because they place you on this pedestal. And this person knows that to step to someone like you, they can't be on any F-boy, F-girl-ish, right? You are the real deal. And you have this way about you whereby you're very highly intelligent. So even if they were to try to, you know, play games or try and get you jealous or whatever the case is, you'll just cut them off, because you're not about that. You have this no nonsense energy about you, and you also have this mature approach. And that's another thing which kind of intimidates this individual, because they feel like, am I mature enough? You know, they don't really care about what people will think and what people will say. I'm hearing John B. I might link that song in the description box below. I love that track. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. So if that was something, for instance, right, that you thought was a factor. For some of you, you may like this person too, but you may feel like, oh, they won't go out with me because such and such. They don't care about what people think or what people say. But because we've got the Justice card in the reverse, this does indicate to me that there could be energies around that may have some type of judgment about this connection. And maybe in the past, this individual was very susceptible to, being very concerned, I should say, about this judgment. And if they were in the past, they're moving out of this energy right now. This person feels like they got competition, because this person feels as if you may not be ready to settle down yet. You could be, they haven't asked you that question for some of you, but they feel like you're not in the energy to settle down yet. And they also see that other people find you attractive. They may have seen people chatting you up. They may have